వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ ఎంపీసీ ఫౌండేషన్ అకాడమీ. ఓకే, మీరు ఈ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మరియు మన రెగ్యులర్ వీడియోస్ వాచ్ చేసుకుంటూ కూడా ప్లేలిస్ట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి పాత వీడియోస్ అన్నీ కూడా మీరు మీ క్లాస్ తగ్గట్టు అన్నీ కూడా వింటే మీకు చాలా బేసిక్స్ అనేది రావడం జరుగుతుంది. నౌ వీ విల్ స్టార్ట్ అవర్ టాపిక్. ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో వీ విల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ద మెజర్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ లెంత్. ఓకేనా, ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో విల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ద మెజర్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ లెంత్. ఓకే, see here, first one, whenever we measure width, thickness, depth, distance and height. Okay, when we want to measure width, thickness, depth, distance, height, in these cases we are using generally the measurement length. Okay na, the SI unit of length is generally how, what here, the SI unit of the SI unit of length is meter. Already we know very well. CGS unit what here? Centimeter. CGS unit is centimeter. Now here definition of the meter is the important. Here definition of the meter is very simple. The distance between two marks. Between two marks on a platinum iridium bar. Which bar kept at the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Paris in France, maintained at a fixed temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, at 0 degrees Celsius, the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Paris in France maintained one bar. The bar is made up of platinum and iridium metal. The bar is having two marks. The distance between the two marks is called simply meter. Meter is nothing but simply the distance between two marks. Two marks where it is present? On a platinum iridium bar. Platinum and iridium is the metal. Okay na, both are metals. Okay, platinum iridium bar is having two marks. So between these two marks the distance is called meter. The platinum iridium bar was kept where here? At Paris in France. Okay na, at International Bureau of Weight and Measures is the one organization. Okay, that is at Paris in France. Okay, in that situation how much degree Celsius maintained here? Temperature 0 degree Celsius is maintained. Okay na, I am repeating once again. Meter is nothing but it is the distance between two marks on a platinum iridium bar kept at the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Paris in France, maintained at a fixed temperature of 0 degree Celsius. Here the platinum and iridium is 9:1 ratio is there. Okay na. Next one, multiples and submultiple units of length. Already we know. Here decimeter is nothing but 10 to the power of -1, submultiple decameter is 10 to the power of 1, multiple centimeter is 10 to the power of -2, submultiple hectometer is 10 to the power of 2, multiple millimeter is 10 to the power of -3, submultiple kilometer is 10 to the power of 3, multiple. Okay na, 1. So more another units also is there. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, sometimes mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers, 1 mile is equal to 1.609 kilometers, 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, so 1 meter is equal to 3.3 feet. This is the another units of length. Okay na. Next, devices for measuring length. To want to measure the length, we use some devices. Already we know ruler. By using the ruler we can measure length. Okay, the smallest here, what is the important point? The smallest measurement that using a ruler is how much here? 1 millimeter. The smallest measurement used by the ruler, how much here? 1 millimeter. Okay na. Next, measuring tape. Next one, what here? Second one is the measuring tape. By using measuring tape also we can measure. Smallest measurement possible is again 1 millimeter only. Here also 1 millimeter. Okay, the smallest unit is important here. the smallest measurement possible by using the measuring tape. How much here? 1 millimeter. Generally the measuring tape used to measure large lengths such as the to land required to construction house. When we are construct house, we have to use the measuring tape. Okay na, when we have to measure the field lengths of the field, area of the fields, also in that situation we use measuring tape. Okay na, measuring tape. Okay, next, see here already completed ruler very well. Okay na, next, this is the measuring tape. This is what here, measuring tape. Okay, by using the measuring tape also we can measure the length. So smallest measurement by using the measuring tape is equal to 1 millimeter. Okay na, next, calipers and scale. Okay, mainly the calipers and scale to measure inner diameter and outer diameter of the objects. Inner diameter and outer diameter of the object. This is the calipers, this is the outer diameter, this is the inner diameter, this is the inner diameter, this is the outer diameter. Sorry, this is the outer diameter, this is also outer diameter. Here outer diameter means edge point of pipe. This is the measuring the external diameter or outer diameter of a pipe. Okay na, next, this is the internal diameter of a pipe, internal diameter or inner diameter. Okay na, this is the calipers. By using calipers, one important point here, by using caliper scale, diameter of the objects, inner diameter, outer diameter, inner diameter or external, outer or external diameter of the objects. Okay na, next, thread. Next here, what here, thread. To measure a curved length, we used thread and scale. To measure curved length, we used what here, thread and scale. First of all, we have to spread the thread on a curved surface and mark the initial and final points. Okay, first of all we have to spread the thread on a curved surface and we have to mark the initial point and final point. Then the spread the same thread on the scale and we have to calculate the measure how much length is there. That length is belonging to curved surface length. Okay na, see here. Next one here, this is the thread and scale. Next one, what here, vernier calipers. Here what here, vernier calipers. What is the use of vernier calipers? By using this tool, this instrument, we can measure the small lengths or depths. So here smallest possible measurement, possible. Here 0.1 millimeter, or 0.01 centimeter. Okay, see here 0.1 millimeter means 1 by 10 millimeter, or 1 by 100 centimeter. Okay, by using the vernier calipers, we can measure the 1 by 10th of millimeter or 0.1 millimeter. The smallest measurement possible is 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. This is the important one. Okay, this is the vernier calipers. This is vernier calipers. Okay na, this is vernier calipers. Next, rectangular boxes. By using the rectangular boxes, we can determine the diameter of ball. To find a diameter of a cricket ball, arrange the rectangular balls in the and scale as shown in figure. We have to arrange this type of arrangement. Here scale is there. Okay, here one rectangular box, here one rectangular box. Between two rectangular box, one ball is there. First of all, you have count the length from 0 to at the end of the B rectangular box. Okay, that is the G, here 3.1, here from here. Okay na? From here 0.1, 3.1. Okay, next here to here, the first point of the B and second point of the A, second point of the A here 1.6. How much you will get? 3.1 minus 1.6, you will get how much here? 1.5 centimeters. 1.5 centimeters. Okay na? Next, screw gauge. Next, what here? Screw gauge. By using screw gauge also we can measure small lengths like thickness of paper. Okay na? The type of smallest thickness also we can measure by using the screw gauge. Here important point, this is the screw gauge diagram. Once observe what is screw gauge. Regarding the screw gauge you will learn in next classes. Okay, here one important point, smallest measurement possible how much here? 0.01 millimeter. 0.01 millimeter, nothing but 1 by 100 millimeter or 1 by 1000 centimeter, 1 by 1000 centimeter or 1 by 100 millimeter or 1 by 1000 centimeter. Whereas vernier calipers 1 by 10 millimeter or 1 by 100 centimeter, nothing but 0.01 centimeter or 0.1 millimeter. This is the vernier calipers smallest possible measurement. Okay na? Here measurement in screw gauge. This is what is screw gauge. By using screw gauge we can measure the 0.01 millimeter is nothing but 1 by 100 millimeter or 1 by 1000 centimeters. 1 by 1000 centimeters, 0.001 centimeter. 0.001 centimeter. Okay na? Right. We will stop here. In next topic we will discuss in next video. Thank you.